Yesterday, found out that I can sneeze with my eyes open, so I'm gonna sneeze with my eyes open. Hold on. Part is like really good looking. It's like a talent. Okay. I'm crying.